Hi and welcome back to a new card making tutorial. Today I managed to make the galaxy background with my homemade resist spray. The spray is a mixture of glossy Mod Podge and water, and I mixed it almost half to half. I'm spraying the resist spray on top of watercolor paper, and I also add some bigger droplets. I let the resist spray dry, or I dried it with the heat tool before I go in with the distress inks. I dry the distress ink with the heat tool and then go in with a wet baby wipe and wipe off the excess ink from the resist parts. I'm adding a little bit more droplets on top of my background. Again, I dried the resist spray before I go in with darker colors of distress inks. Finally, I wipe away the inks from the resist parts. You have to make sure that you always use a clean part of the baby wipe and that you don't overwork it, because the distress ink will get reactivated by the water. To decorate one of my cards, I die cut 2 mushrooms, and I'm using the die as a stencil to add Versamark ink because I want to emboss the little dots on the mushroom. Obviously, I'm using white embossing powder. After I heat set the embossing powder, I'm coloring in the mushrooms with watercolors. The embossed parts will resist the watercolors. I also die cut a wavy border and some grass, and I add watercolors to them to give them more shadings. After I have adhered all my ephemera, I will glue down the front to a cut base. I will also add a greeting banner that I have embossed on some vellum. I'm using 3D foam pads on the mushrooms to give them more dimension. To create the second card with a galaxy background, I simply used some printed vellum. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and give them a thumb up. Bye!